I'm here with Maurice, who is part of the software engineer on the Flutter team, and he's particularly focused on the plugins and ecosystem part of Flutter. So I know that you've worked a lot on the Firebase plugins. Is there a particular Firebase plugin that you think is especially underappreciated that should have some more love, more usage?
Yeah, I really like the Firebase Dynamic Links plugin. With that plugin, it makes it really easy to navigate to the part of your app that you really like, and combined with Flutter's route and how easy it is to navigate with Flutter, I think it fits really well inside the ecosystem.
So how would you combine dynamic links with the route navigation in Flutter?
So essentially, you just go to the Firebase website, you get your configuration file for your Android or iOS. You just plug that in, and then you include the dependency and your pub spec and everything. Then after that, all you have to do is just retrieve the dynamic link, and then you just parse it. And then you can use the navigation with pushes and routes to set up automatic navigation when your app starts. So it's really just straightforward to implement.
Do you have any advice for people who are looking to create new plugins or packages for Flutter?
I would definitely look at the language guide for Effective Dart. Looking at that language guide really helps you not only learn a lot about all the Dart and all its features, it helps you write a lot cleaner code. And also looking at the language guide makes it help your app get a lot more exposure by following those guides. Because when we run the test on the plugin website, we run through a lot of Dart format and how you implement certain things.
That's true, and also I know that the score that you see on the package, on the pub, when you're looking at packages, is partly based on if it's following proper style guides.
Yes, definitely. It looks through to make sure it basically runs Dart format, which is like a plugin tool you can already use to automatically format your code. And then just make sure your dependencies are used, all your dependencies are used, they're lined up right, and a lot of other checks as well.
Makes your code more readable as well. Is there any particular package or plugin that you would like to see that doesn't exist yet?
For me, I would definitely like to see a plugin for a graphics engine. Right now, for my own personal project, I'm making a game with the Flame plugin. It's a really basic 2D graphics engine. But I would like to see a fully fleshed out one. I think that'd be really great for a lot of developers.
Maurice, thank you so much for chatting with us. It's been great.